A massive rush in all the city hospitals as there's panic among people, and doctors and medical staff are struggling to deal with this rush. Special wards have been set up in the hospitals, and in many beds they have 2 to 3, even sometimes 4 patients to a bed. Siddharth Pandey reports.
चिंता में जी क्या यही लड़का है कि मेरी घरवाली भी खत्म हो चुकी है, तो इस वजह से ज़्यादा और चिंता चढ़ गई।
क्या करते हैं आप?
प्रेस का काम करते हैं जी। मैं भी विकलांग हूँ, वही नहीं।
A father struggles to hold back tears as doctors put his 13-year-old son on a drip. Vishal has had high fever for 4 days now. Doctors suspect he may have dengue. Ramkumar earns just 200 a day ironing clothes, but hasn't been to work for the past 3 days. Well, this is the scene at one of the 7 special wards which have been set up just to look at dengue patients. The condition is such that many patients have to share beds. In fact, in beds, 2 to 3 to even 4 patients having to share the same bed. With more than 422 patients and just 360 beds, several patients are forced to share beds. A floor below, technicians try to keep up with a steady stream of blood samples coming in for testing.
We are testing around 600.
Every day?
Every day 600.
Positive for dengue and malaria?
Positive, I think 8 to 10.
Wherever the routine cases are there, obviously we had to divert this thing. The routine cases
Any
may
operation which could be deferred?
which could be deferred. That's the word, and that may be postponed.
But no one wants to take chances. Several hospitals have set up additional screening areas for patients, and many of them are on self-medication, something doctors warn against.
किसी ने मलेरिया की दवाई ले ली है जबकि ये मलेरिया नहीं है।
बट ये दवाई किसने दी आपको? कहाँ गए थे इस दवाई के लिए?
नहीं, ये तो जानवर तो यहाँ आता कह रहा ये वाली बाकी तो मैं
नहीं, मतलब आप खुद नहीं आए थे, कोई और आया था?
और आया।
As doctors try to cope with the crisis, they have an appeal.
Heartfelt advice to them would be, I am very sincere when I say, please don't panic. At the same time, don't neglect the disease, but seek a qualified opinion about the disease and have a faith in that.
And every fever may not be dengue.
And every fever may not be dengue.
In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.